Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable microphone in screen recording on iPhone 16 Pro. To enable or disable microphone in screen recording, slide down from the right top part of your screen and find screen recording here. I don't have it, so to add it, click on plus, add a control, screen recording, and click on it. Then it's here. You can also place it in a different place, but I'm gonna leave it here. Then click anywhere on the screen, and now it's in your control center. When you press and hold on it, you can find its settings. You can click on start recording to start recording immediately, or enable microphone. So now when it's enabled and when you start recording, then you will record your screen with microphone on or off. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.